Method 3, Daylight. Reset your password using your DVR's built-in security questions.
Go to your DVR login screen and deliberately enter the wrong password 5 times in a row. Keep going even when it shows error. After the 5th wrong attempt posture, a Forgot Password option will appear at the bottom of your screen. Click on it immediately. You will now see the security questions you set up when you first installed your Lorex DVR. Answer each one prayerfully. Exact spelling is very important. Type your answers carefully, Pally, then click Confirm. You will immediately be taken to the password reset screen. Set your new password, confirm it, click Save. You are now back inside your Lorex DVR. No tools needed or no phone calls required.
Method 4, Content. The QR code method, exclusively available on Lorex DVR systems.
This method is unique to Lorex DVRs. After a QR code will appear on your DVR screen. Open your phone camera, point it directly at the QR code on your DVR monitor, and scan it just like a normal QR code. The Lorex website will open automatically on your phone. Fill in your DVR serial number and your registered email address in the form shown. Your serial number is printed on the white label on the bottom or back of your Lorex DVR. Write it down before you start. Lorex will send a temporary password to your email within minutes. Open that email viewer. Copy the password exactly as shown. Type that temporary password into your DVR login screen. Once you are in, immediately go to Settings and set a new permanent password.
Method 6, HOD. The CMOS battery reset. The hardware level fix that clears your DVR's memory completely.